Hello everyone, welcome to a short tutorial on how to add a lead. Before we get started, let me clear up that we're starting with a relatively empty database. The purpose here is to show the building steps. Part of our business is to get a client. Before that client, we gotta have leads or potential customers that will come in. So let's get started with this one and we'll add 1 to 2 leads and then we'll build on subsequent videos to highlight other capabilities in the tool: tracking, reminders, notes, even becoming a customer. Okay, here we go. Please, when you go to the left pane on the home page, you will be able to see the lead application. Select that. As you can tell, the database is loading up, but it's not finding any data. It's actually telling me it's blank. We don't have any leads. Let's add a lead. Select the add icon. You'll be taken to the page where we can give you the basic information. The lead collects the basic information for you to be able to establish a communications or contact. Let's create a lead. How about we call this one Maria H. Delgado. Agent. Agent is a member in the office. They will be the focal, but it's not the only member that can see this person. Anyone access to the lead will have capability to see all the leads. Let's select an agent. You will see that when you start typing automatically, you'll be prompted by the selection to provide one. Follow-up date, very important. Let's say we're gonna follow up next Monday. Why? You've been given information, this person's not available, but maybe the same day. But this is a mandatory field. When are you planning to follow up with this? It helps you in the future because the database will give you guides in the front page, homepage, of saying you need to follow up with this person today. You can even go to the lead application and it will highlight you the times that you were planning to follow up. Now for phone numbers, it's basic. It's a 10-digit number. Starting with the zip code, just enter the number. Let me enter a fake number here. It will automatically, without putting any symbols or special characters, just populate. This is important because it builds on the future to be able to send messages and other matters like this. So just keep the numbers and that's all. It's not mandatory that you provide a email, but let's make a fake email. Maria Delgado at fake.com. You know, I asked you the question, which is the preferred? Doesn't mean that you have to follow this, but it's always worthwhile. Should we email them? Should we call them? Should we text them? Let's select text. Again, information about street, their address. State Street. Let's say it's some city. State is Illinois. 123 zip code. Select the address type. This information helps you to find out if you. This information is only additional data for you. Is it a home? Is it a commercial? Let's select residential. And lastly, we have what type of referral you were given. Now, this pane of options is customizable. For right now, I have entered just, let's say, a default amount. Okay, let's submit this lead and we have added one. The very first thing you'll see that it takes you now to the page where you can start building on top of it. You can have notes, we're gonna be able to have documents, scheduling, and more. But for this moment right now, this is as far, that's all we need. We have added a lead. Job completed.